Hi friends, I was recently looking for a good monitor and decided to try out this one from BenQ. In this video, I will be unboxing the monitor, setting it up and sharing some really helpful usage tips. Let's get started. So it's a 22-inch BenQ monitor and here what I get in the box. Guide, one HDMI cable, one power cable, stand in two parts, we need to assemble it, and of course the monitor. Before going ahead, I will take a quick look at the screen for any scratches. If I notice anything, I will get it replaced immediately. So all look good. Let's check the guide and assemble it. I will start by attaching the stand. See this screw, it has a short handle-like part to twist and screw, so you don't need a screwdriver. It is super handy. Note that this monitor uses a plug type that's commonly seen in heavy electrical appliances. You will need a plug converter. I already had one, so I'm using that here. Time to connect the power cable and HDMI to my laptop and let's turn it on. Looks good. The display is working perfectly. Now I will set it up on my table. Here are some quick tips and features I found really useful with this monitor. Cable organizer. At the back, there's a cable organizer. Just open it, pass your cable through it, and close it again. It makes the setup look clean. Eye care mode. By default, eye care is off. You can turn it on from the menu to reduce eye strain, especially if you are using the monitor for long hours. Monitor volume. This monitor comes with an inbuilt speaker. If you feel the sound is very low, you can increase the sound from the menu setting. It will serve your purpose, but it is not very loud. Switching input sources. I have both my laptop and PS4 connected via HDMI. I can switch between them using the input source. It takes a few seconds, but it works perfectly. And it's the feature which I like most in this monitor. Low blue light modes. There are several blue light filter presets. I personally prefer the web surfing mode, but you can try others like reading or office depending on your usage. To turn off the monitor, just press the power button. It's quick and simple. And to turn it on again, just press it.